through whatever new comes on that have to be adopted by the state each year. So in that way, we will take up Senate Bill 2283, which let's talk about it a little. Is Madam Vice President? We understand it's a busy day. Thank you. So we'll take up the Senate Bill 2283, which gives us a summary of the new bills that comes in each year. So some drugs are placed in Schedule 1 in Section 41-29-113 because these drugs generally have no medical use and have great potential to cause harm. This bill adds many drugs that should be illegal to Schedule 1. 20 of those that are illegal to Schedule 1, and fentanyl related substance. Fentanyl is really causing us a lot of trouble because it's coming in on the black market. So these drugs say like MT45 and M2201, 5-FCUMYL-P7AICA, PMMA. All of these initials, you don't know what they mean, and many of them it's just abbreviation for these short names that are in drugs, okay? Really long name. The bill also advertises the list of Schedule 1 opioids, so the drugs are in the same order as in the Code of Federal Regulation. As I've indicated earlier, we have to do this because of federal regulation for the state of, we have to do that in the state of Mississippi. I don't know where we can make a law that we don't have to do this each year, but right now we have to do it annually. Okay, Schedule 2. Controlled substances are placed in Schedule 2. Section 41-29-115 when they have a currently accepted medical use, but a high potential for abuse that may lead to severe psychological or physical dependence. Orlisine, as I pronounce it, is an opioid used to treat severe pain, but has a high potential for abuse. So it is being placed in Schedule 2. Schedule 3, Section 41-29-117 is not being amended this year. We don't have anything to go under Schedule 3. Schedule 4 and 5, Section 41-29-119, 41-29-121 are for drugs that have a currently accepted medical use and a low potential for abuse. And the first one is Levothyroxine, which is used to treat insomnia. I mean, just people who can't sleep. And Renomazoline is used, which is used for short-term anesthesia. I guess the doctor used it to put people to sleep, and are being put on Schedule 4. And also, which is used to treat seizures. And Lamictal, which is used to treat acute migraines, I guess headaches, which are being placed in Lamictal. Acute migraines, which has been placed in Schedule 5. Now, I have a list that I've given out for everybody who you can read some of this same information. And I also have some more information on some of these drugs. You know, fentanyl is being distributed so much in the country. So I want each one to use a FTS, which is the fentanyl test strip. I'll hand out this to you because you may know somebody that acting a little funny, may be a little different. And this is a test that you can render. So have those handed out, have enough of those so that each person can have that for themselves. You may know somebody who you love or who may be having problems. You may think they're having problems. You can use that test. I hope we have enough copies. I think we have enough copies for everybody. Okay. So this bill, Senate Bill 2383, is the one that we're bringing up that will help to set our scheduling right for this year. So are there any questions about it? Any questions? See, Mr. McDaniel just arrived. Are there any questions? So if not, no question, then Chair will entertain a motion.
Title special do pass.
Title sufficient do pass. All in favor of the motion, let it be known by the familiar sign of aye.
Aye.
Ayes having, the motion is carried. So that's all we're going to take up today. There were other bills that I wish we could have taken up, but after consultation with the Lieutenant Governor, we felt that the time was not right to get it passed, and that's kind of disappointing to somebody that I know. Thank you.
I made
Okay.
a report.
Okay. Motion is rise and report. Thank you all for coming.